I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion.
Okay, guys, still I am waiting. Few more peoples who were used to attend class, but today still they are delaying. So anyway, we have completed all the tools discussed of a Spring Boot. Now the time has come. Now the time has come. Let's test what we created, the kind of code which I used to upload on Google Drive, and you had shared them, downloaded, and studied briefly all those Java codes as well as PowerPoint presentations, and even those steps also for creating different microservices, different tools, how we use them, what sort of dependencies are needed, and those set of annotations to be used, all those configuration stuffs. Hope you would have enjoyed but the main thing is depend on how seriously you implement those tools. Now the time has come to let's check our knowledge. So today I'm just showing you the kind of assignment questions what you have to solve using a Spring Boot. So let's solve this assignment. Try to understand the question. It's very simple. The question what I have given is develop a simple currency converter project using a Spring Boot. Assume suitable data structure to store the other countries' currencies values. You may assume some 4 or 5 countries like US, UK, maybe Nepal, Pakistan, or any Russia, Japan, and so on. That is my application, is my requirement is I need to develop applications which receives the Indian currency amounts, and I just select the countries denominations, that is currencies, which needs to be in which the Indian values needs to be converted. So these two parameter has to be accepted and passed it to another service, another microservice. The task of that microservice will be to convert that Indian amount into that their country's amount depending on their currency's values. Naturally, you have to design suitable data structure to store all those countries' currencies. You may store into database. Of course, that is not the part of Spring Boot. So right now what you can do is that you can suitably design a data structure. You can create a list and you can store those currencies values in the program itself. Maybe you can use list, you can use array or something like that. Now in hints I have mentioned how will you design this app. You need to create ERiCK server, you need to create client microservice, and you need to create server microservice. The client microservice, the task of job of client microservice will be to receive the Indian currency's values entered, that is the amount. The Indian currency amount needs to be received, and it should receive the second parameter, that is the other country's name in which we need to convert. Then this microservice will process these data and send it to another microservice, that is called server microservice. The task of this server microservices, guys, to receive those data entered by client microservice, do the conversions as per the values of their countries currencies, and return back the result to the client microservice. The client microservice task will be not only to do this but also to create all the views. And in yesterday's session already we had seen how to create views. And for your hints, that yesterday's topics what we covered, that Java code has been uploaded on the Google Drive. You can refer that, create these applications and upload your codes. That uploaded code will be evaluated. This is your assignment. So you all guys has to develop this assignment very seriously. It will be evaluated and you will be awarded marks. So I hope the question is quite simple. I am also going to upload this assignment questions on WhatsApp group, which you can see now on the screen. This is visible. If you have doubt, you can ask, you can raise the question. But for creations, all kind of help what you need is completely fully dependent on the previous day's sessions which I had covered. We had created that client microservice, ERiCK client, everything we had created. We had also created the views, so that will help you a lot. Try to understand and try to create this assignment. I'm still waiting. If anyone has doubt, you can raise the questions. Okay. I'm also uploading the same assignment question on the WhatsApp group as well. You can see on the screen.